And this is what the faucet looks like when it's fully installed. You could just turn it on like this, and then it has that mode, and it has that mode, and you hold that to turn it off like that, or you could just turn it off like that. So I'm going to show you how to install this, but before you start installing it, make sure you have your water turned off. I also realized I forgot to show you guys that you could just pull this out like this, and it will just automatically just retract back in like that. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to install this kitchen faucet. And the first thing you're going to do is take off your old one. Mine was a little bit of a battle because one of the pieces actually was rusted on there, so I had to really fight it. But here we go. So I have 3 holes here. This comes with the item, so we're just going to lay that over top, and we're just only going to be using the middle hole here. And full disclosure, I'm not like a plumber or anything, but I've done something like this once before. So I'm gonna take the faucet here, and you're just gonna slide down all of the tubes here into the hole. And seriously, if I could do this, you guys could do this too. And just force it in there. Like that. Just make sure they go down. In there, just like that. And just gonna fix this real quick. Hard to do all that with just one hand, but yeah, we're gonna have it positioned just like this. Okay, so next in the box, it just comes with the faucet right here. It's pretty easy. It just comes with 3 pieces. This is the weight to weigh the sprayer down, and this is the screw that you need. According to the instructions, you need the rubber part up top, and then there's a metal part, and then this is the nut. So I'm going to take this over, and I'm going to go under here and just screw it in to the bottom to tighten this part up. Like, I'm going to feed all the tubes through here, and then make it go up the tube, and then screw it tight to the bottom of that. So all you have to do is hand screw it from the bottom with that nut that I mentioned. And before I do like a final tightening, I just came up here just to make sure it is like lined up to where I want it. And this is where I want it. So let me just show you guys what I meant real quick. Okay, so as you can see, I just came through earlier, and then I fed all the tubes through the nut, and then I just kind of hand tightened it from the bottom here. It's a very awkward spot to be in, and then I just kind of hand screwed it tight, just like this. Yeah, it was super easy to do. I feel like that is tight. Just tighten up. Okay, so we'll just leave it at that. And the next thing you're gonna want to do is actually install the weight for the sprayer. So what the weight is gonna do is it is going to lock into right here, and it's going to be pulling the sprayer back in through the faucet. So it actually has it marked where you should put the weight, and it's going to go right here. And this is the weight that it came with. All you had to do is pop it open. So I just had to use 2 hands to do that, and then all I'm going to do is put it up against this right here, and then I'm just gonna snap it closed. And when you close it, you should just hear a snap. And now it's just gonna pull the faucet back in. So if you use a sprayer, boom, it just does that. Okay, final step here. So yeah, you got your red here, which is gonna be your hot, and then your blue, which is gonna be your cold. So for me, my hot pipe is on the left, and then my cold pipe is on the right here. Again, just an awkward angle to film, but yeah, the next thing you're gonna do is just screw this in to this piece here, which is the cold, and then red one to this piece here, which is the hot. Yours is probably gonna look different because this is an old house. And as you can see, I just have them screwed in right there and right there, and I just turned the water back on so we can just test it out real quick. Boom, there we go.